Hello, we're going to show you some light source options for our standard step light product line at Focus Industries. First light source is the standard one. Comes in all step lights and brick lights. That's the 1141 single contact bulb, available in 18 watt, 12 watt, and 25 watts. Now to upgrade from this bulb to something better, simply pull the reflector out. Take out your old light bulb. This is a halogen bulb, the first upgrade, available in 10 watts and 20 watts. Simply insert it back into the socket. Remember, with halogen, try not to touch the bulb. If you do, wipe it off. The second option is Xenon, available in 20 watt and 10 watt. Great thing about Xenon, you can touch the glass, will not harm the bulb, and it's also dimmable. Again, single contact base, simply insert it into the socket and you're ready to go. We also have innovative LED solutions in plug and play. The Omni 2 single contact 2.2 watt LED. Again, simply insert it into the socket, back into the back box, push it back, take your cover, the screws back in, and you're ready to go. Okay, our second LED solution features LED module technology. This is a 3 watt LED module directly mounted onto a heatsink, which is mounted onto the reflector that comes standard in our step light. In the field, simply remove the light bulb, socket, and reflector, disconnect the wiring, rewire your LED module inside the back box, slide the reflector back inside. Okay, our third and ultimate LED solution is a 3 watt LED light panel. Now this features some water resistance and a very nice even light output. Now, as with our other retrofittable LED solutions, simply remove the reflector, socket, and lamp from the existing back box, disconnect the wires, reconnect your wires with the 3 watt LED module, insert it, push it in the back, and you're finished. Okay, we also have the same light source options for our standard brick light fixtures as we do for the step lights. The difference being there's 2 light bulbs inside the brick light fixtures. You have the 1141 single contact, available in 12 watt, 18 watt, and 25 watt. You can also upgrade and retrofit with the 10 watt or 20 watt halogen single contact. You can upgrade to the 10 watt or 20 watt Xenon single contact. Again, Xenon, dimmable, and you can handle the bulb with no problems. The other plug and play option is our Omni 2 LED. Again, single contact base, simply plug and play, and you're ready to go. Also, for our brick lights, we have our innovative LED solutions, including the 3 watt module, which is a high output directional light source with heatsink, or the 3 watt mini LED panel. This is the ultimate solution, water resistant, and has an even light output. Let me introduce you to the brick light of the future. This is a backless LED brick light. It eliminates the cost of the back box and the installation of the back box. What we have is an LED 8 watt flat panel affixed to a back bracket. Simply drill a hole in your wall for the lead wire to run through. You affix the back bracket to the wall with the 4 supplied screws. The cover goes right over the top, and there's 2 set screws that secure it in place, and you have your LED brick light without any back box at all.